Hello, James Clark with Exit Press again, here with another simple tutorial. Creating and editing pages. Very simple to do. You can get pretty complex with this, but for right now, this is an entry-level tutorial on really just how to get a page started. So, with that, let's get to it. To create a page, you're going to go into your dashboard. This is what our dashboard looks like. What you're looking for are the Pages tab right here, or you can go into the Right Now section right here. Either one will take you to where you need to go. You can also click Add New directly here, and it'll take you to a Add New window. So this is what your new Add a Page interface is going to look like. We're going to create a title, something that's relevant to the content and also SEO friendly. This one will be boring, and just put creating a page. And then you're going to come down here, and as you can see right here, your link is showing creating a page. That's why it's very important that you put something in there that's SEO friendly, that truly embodies the topic that you're trying to display. So once you're down here, you're going to input your text. So we're just going to throw in some dummy text in here. This is what that would look like. Let's say you wanted to, I don't know, then put an image. You're going to click wherever you want that image to be. I'm going to put it right over here. You're then going to come over here to this section where you can see add an image, video, media, audio, and right here gravity forms. We'll have another tutorial later on this, but you can create and edit forms that you can put within your pages. It's really, gravity forms are fantastic. I'll create another tutorial on that subject alone. So let's just insert an image just for the sake of argument. We'll click insert an image. Now here's where you can, right here, for some reason it's not rendering properly, you can hit select a file right here and then go into your desktop or whatever the case may be. I'm just going to go into my library where I have a ton of images. Let me see, let me find something. Okay, right here, perfect. We're going to go in here, in my media, I'm going to hit the drop down show button. This is another key part right here, this section, alignment and size. This size, at its original size, is 600 by 400, way too big to stick in a page or a post. I also want to pay attention to my alignment. In this case, I want it right aligned. So the rest of the alignment is pretty self-explanatory. You click insert to post. I know what you're thinking, this is a page, why is it called post? But it just is. Now, in my opinion, this image is too big in this page, so you can click the image and you'll see all these squares come up that allow you to resize it, which is really a neat tool. So you click it and click on one of the corners. I always hit shift to reduce the size proportionally, and reduce the size as you see fit. Alright, so that's that. We now have an image within our page. I don't know, let's say I want to add something else. I'm going to come down here and hit enter. Something that we do with all our sites that we create for you is we add a custom real estate pack. If you come right here, you're going to see some really neat features. You can add information about schools, Yelp, financial, Google Maps. It's really, really intuitive stuff. Trulia, Altos. You know what? Let's say I want to add in some, I don't know, some Trulia market stats. We're going to go here, median sales price, city, I don't know, Maitland, Florida. We'll go back, I don't know, let's go back 5 years, everything 3 bedrooms, insert. And it's just that simple. You now have inserted a chart very easily, and it's really kind of, with these particular things, kind of limitless, the things you can do. One last thing, real quick. Right here, you're going to find the kitchen sink. Most of the times, you're going to come across this, and this is all you're going to see right here. And all these are pretty self-explanatory. Real quick, just to show you. Let me come here. You can create bullets. You can do it via number, whatever the case may be. Everything else is pretty self-explanatory. Bold, italicize, your alignments. But let's say you need to do more. This right here these little rectangles with squares inside of them, is how you show or hide the kitchen sink, which is the advanced editing features. As you can see here, it is just like Microsoft Word. Underline your format where you can choose the different types of heading, paragraph, whatever the case may be. Really just as Word. I mean, here there's an option to paste strictly from Word. So as you can see, this is a really user-friendly, intuitive interface. Really not that complex. I'll get more complex in some future tutorials, but this is all you need to get it stood up. The last thing you want to do, well, maybe second to last thing to do, is hit your preview button, just so that you can see what this page is going to look at, what it's going to look like. So here you can see this is the page that we've created, and down here are our market statistics. Now, one thing I forgot to show you here, let's go back here. Up here in our gray bar that's at the top, whenever we give you guys build a site for you, you're going to get an administrative login page, and you're always going to see this at the top of your site. Your clients will not see this. This is only for you. You're going to click back into Edit Page. One thing I wanted to show you I forgot about, let's say that you want this page to be, I don't know, just a page in and of itself. You don't want sidebar, any of your advertising or other widgets. You come down here to the layout settings, okay? Genesis layout settings. Genesis is the foundation of the sites that we create. So you come down here and you have all these options, okay? Let's say I want a full width option, okay? You click full width. Now let's say you've already hit publish. It's easy to go back and change all these things. All you're going to find yourself doing is hitting the edit button. But now we have not created this, so we're going to hit publish. See how the update button pops back up? You can come in here and edit anything that you've originally done and just hit update, and you'll see the necessary change. So we're going to hit view page so that we can see what we've done. And as you can see, there's not a lot of sidebar content down here because we haven't incorporated it. But this is what I was talking about, how you don't necessarily want to take away the opportunity to put other things in a client's view that you would want there, like let's say social media, other things like that. But it really just depends on what it is that you're trying to accomplish. So this was a very simple tutorial on how to create a page. I'm going to get a lot more complex as we go along, but I just wanted to show you guys the basic essentials, just so that you can start getting pages up and created. I'll show you later how to incorporate them into your navigation. Okay? So that's all for this tutorial. This is James Clark with ExitPress. Thanks. See you soon.